So you have to wonder, is it possible that the Dark Jedi right here, baby, is going to be giving away not just one, but two Hot Toys figures tomorrow morning, December 24th at 9:30 a.m. Eastern. That's when the show starts. And I say, let's go ahead and give you some information and dive into how you can be eligible for both giveaways. This wizard juice is potent. These giveaways are potent. Let's go ahead and get into this announcement. Right now. All right, so tomorrow morning, December 24th, will be the third annual Christmas Eve morning show with Aries. And I will be giving away not just one, but two of my very own Hot Toys figures. All you have to do, besides believe, is just make sure that you comment on the last market show. Now, I put the link to the last market show in this video description right now. And go ahead and click on it. Smash the like on it, by the way. And put a comment on there. That's number one. Number two, you have to be subscribed. So subscribe right now to the 6-Scale Cantina. And then the third thing you have to do is make sure that you are live. You must be present during the third annual Christmas Eve morning show with Aries. Again, it starts at 9:30 a.m. tomorrow morning, December 24th, for Christmas Eve. It's going to be spectacular. I hope to see each and every one of you there. And if you missed the first time, you get a second chance. You get to roll the dice twice, baby. So I'm looking forward to it. We'll have some special panel guests tomorrow morning for sure. Maybe some wizard interruptions, maybe an interruption from the Space Pimp. Who knows? You do have to wonder, but be there or be square. And hey, other news. Listen, if you like what you watch here at 6-Scale Cantina, I have also put out not just one, but two full episodes of Drunk on Coffee. Aries Tarrington's Drunk on Coffee over the past couple of weeks. And is it possible I'm about to put out this third one? And I say yes. And all you have to do is just click on the little join button, see everything that it comes with, and if you think you could benefit from it, listen, it is cheaper than a dozen eggs in most places, baby. And certainly cheaper than a gallon of gas in most places as well. You get the full episode of Drunk on Coffee. This is going to be coming out during this holiday week. I do appreciate your support. I will see you tomorrow morning. I don't always spill coffee all over the cantina floor and then wash it up, baby, with this excellent all-telling wizard juice. But when I do, I do it right here at the 6-Scale Cantina. See you tomorrow morning. And stay thirsty, my friends.
Right.